Ladies and gentlemen, dudes, we are 3 days away from the submission due date of the Loot Studios painting competition. First off, I'd like to say thank you so much for participating. Felipe and everyone over the Loot team, thank you so much for investing in the fans and in the hobby. We greatly appreciate it. I really want to take this time right now to kind of go over the expectations of how the judging is going to work, and then I'm going to talk about the guest judges. So, at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 28th of this month, which is March, that's when community voting will open up. So for those 48 hours, the community will have that time to go in and select their favorite model. There is a link to my website that has the gallery, which has just the numbered photos, no names, no branding, nothing like that. And you just go there, you select the gallery, look at the photos, and then at the very bottom, there's a please make your selection. So in order to input your selection, you'll then look at the model you like the most. It'll say either like A1 or B2. Just do the A or the B. Don't have to wear the number afterward. That's just so that I can have some separation of the different pictures of the same person's submission. So anyway, if you like model C, right, you'll go to the bottom, highlight C, hit submit, hit enter. This 48 hours is for you as the competitor to blast it to your social media. This means tell your friends, your family, your followers, whoever, to go on there and vote for your model. Ideally, we'll send them there and they'll select the model they think is best. That way where it's not a person as most followers wins. But we're going to take the top 3 at the end of the 48 hours and we'll submit those to the guest judges. When it came to these judges, I thought I was going to have to do a lot of like finagling or fancy discussion or working out deals. But in all honesty, when it came down to just explaining what was going on and just, laying out the opportunity, these people all just jumped at that opportunity. So I'm going to go down the list in no particular order. Our judges, there are 11. We have Jams Mini Mods, which is a awesome conversion YouTube channel. I love it. Speaking of conversion YouTube channels, next we have Pete the Wargamer. Thank you so much. Brushstroke. He's a painter that we kind of got to know, especially with my time writing for Fohammer. Awesome painter. Great tutorials. Squidmar. Emil, thank you so much for agreeing. Brent from Goobertown Hobbies. Then we have Casey from eBay Miniature Rescue. Trovarian. He's going to be one of the judges. He has some of the most Golden Demon wins, and it is an incredible opportunity to have one of your pieces of work graded and critiqued by someone who has achieved this much success. We have Hendarion, which is, I would say, probably has some of the smoothest blends and non-metallic metal and just amazing work. Go check him out on Instagram. All these people obviously check him out on Instagram, but Hendarion I found him on Instagram and I absolutely love just how smooth the blends and transitions are, and it's incredible. Next we have Coronel. I'm not really sure how to say it, but just another king of conversion. Really incredible, really great work. And then just super grim dark. I love it. Mezgeik, we've been chatting quite a bit over the past year or two over Instagram and stuff like that. I'm really excited to have him be a judge for this competition. Super awesome to be able to work with him. And then finally we have Sam Lenz. Now Sam Lenz, as we all know, is just an incredible painter. Achieved some phenomenal results without spending a ton of money on kind of the top name brand stuff. Those are the judges. I myself cannot believe that we got this many amazing people. Next month, We're going to try and rotate out some judges. I'm going to use hopefully the success of this month to convince other judges for next month. And we'll try to get a little pool of judges in the rotation. I've seen the concept art for next month, and I can already tell it's going to be an awesome competition. People were a little struggling with the feathers of Quierk, but as you can see, as you'll be able to see, they've achieved some phenomenal results. So the 28th, be ready for the link to go live. You can check down in the description below. They'll have a link to the site. It will be blocked until the 28th. Also check out the Hobby House Discord. That's where we have all the work in progress photos, tons of discussion, tons of just really, really great cooperative people coming together and talking about the hobby, from conversion to different paint styles. It's awesome. I'm not just saying that because it's my Discord. I'm saying it because there are some truly amazing people, and it is a tremendous resource to be able to go in there and talk to people that are as skilled and as talented as some of these individuals. And I have access to suppliers. We have Slow Fuse from Monument Hobbies. We have people from Privateer Press. We have a hobby supplier. My buddy Micah owns a store in Stillwell, Oklahoma, I believe it is. Amazing prices, amazing discounts, incredible customer service. We have Shadow's Edge Miniatures, some really, really good scattered terrain and tufts and bases, stuff like that. So just come on in. You'll have free access to artists, to commission painters, to YouTube content creators. Just come in, join the family, and we're really excited for this Loot Studios competition to kind of come to an end. I'm super excited to see the results, and it's just an awesome opportunity. So for the team at Loot Studios, thank you so much for trusting me and us. For anyone that's competing, good luck. And for the judges, thank you so, so much for taking the time out of your super busy schedules and investing in the hobby and investing in people that look up to you and are grateful for what you've done for us. So thank you, everyone, and I'll see you later.